I'm tearing the doors apart. I'm painting them. Oh man, what's behind it? All right, we got the 22s on it. We started doing a little interior work. These armrests here, what I did with these was experimental. I hit these guys up with Flex Seal, like that. The reason I did that is because they're kind of rubbery, spongy, whatever the hell you want to call it anyways, and I needed something that was going to be pliable. But then I didn't think about the aspect of if it gets hot, is it going to get sticky? So I'm probably going to have to clear over that. They came out, like the way that the material is with Flex Seal, it looks like it's going to be all blotchy when you lay it. And it's still, I mean, it's a little orange peelish, but so was the original ones in the first place. It's a lot better than what it was. What I'm doing with the car color is, it's a duplicate color, so it's like $1 million up for a little tiny can. But we're just gonna go get the car paint. So it's Storm Gray Metallic. It's an actual GM paint code. It's perfect match. So this was used on Suburbans and even Silverados from 98 to 2005, I believe. All right, here's what it came with. The door itself was painted at some point. It's just been painted over blue and everything is just shitty. It's just disgusting looking. This is just metal. On the inside of a C10, it's metal. So you paint that the same color as you paint the outside of the car and it looks dope. Still gotta address that at some point. That window on that door came off the track and I had to take it off anyways and I just can't look at it anymore. So I figured I'd hit it up a little bit on the inside, make it look halfway decent. Get that screw. Slides this way.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you just pull this and then that comes out.
Yep. Put some rubbing alcohol. Ultra matte Rust-Oleum. Perfect gray. Don't want to hit that edge, that line. I gotta wait for paint to dry anyways. This dash, it's not even hooked in over here. Oh, the fucking, yo, don't forget about this. There's always this fucking headlight switch that gets you stuck. There it goes. It all comes out in one violent piece of GM engineering. So, I wanted to look at this. This dash, right? I mean, somebody covered it with carpet. Terrible cuts and stuff. I could do vinyl wrap, but I feel like this corner right here is going to be a nightmare. I mean, look how these people put this shit together. Oh man, what's behind it? Got that screw right there, that screw right there, that screw right there, and that screw right there. And I think one on the side, and this guy's gonna come off of here. I just ripped this off a couple seconds ago just because, I don't know. This is like grip tape. Like, no bullshit, man. Whoever owned this truck before, what the fuck? It's like sandpaper. Like, seriously, it's sandpaper. They said, I got an idea of our decals. Is it cals or tails? Whatever. I'm gonna put fucking sandpaper on it. All right, now look, look. Straight up sandpaper. See the little bit of rust there? You gotta be fucking shitting me. You use sandpaper. Who does that? Whoever did any kind of restoration work on this truck before, I guess A for effort. You know what I mean? You tried. It must have been real shitty. I mean, how shitty could it have been if this is an improvement on whatever you had before? So, in theory, this all this stuff comes off. And it does. Alright, what do we got going on? We had a mouse in here at some point, eating food. It's all gross in there. Probably should vacuum all that out. And then he was living in there. Well, at least you can get a good look at it now. You can see that the people last time, looks like they painted this with the goddamn dashboard on it. What a bunch of idiots. When you look at them, the biggest thing about it is it's not that bad. There's not anything to these freaking trucks. There's no parts, no nothing. You got mouse nest over here. You got some old beat the shit little speakers right here. A dash with, I don't know, analog speedometer. I don't know, a mechanical one. So there's nothing electric even about the speedometer. Probably got less than 100 wires in this whole truck, which is absurd. It's so low of electric bullshit. We had a BMW. There's probably, how many wires do you think was in the BMW? You had to guess. Let me know in the comments how many you think there's in a BMW. Sarah's going with a lot. I'm gonna go with 7,000. Let me know what you think. That's that. I mean, this all needs to be sanded a little bit, painted. We get that carpet. This is not a big job right here. None of it. I mean, that door came out real damn good compared to what it was. I mean, I'm no body shop guy. I'm just saying. I'm pretty sure that holds a 6x9 right there. Which, if that's the case, I got a 6x9. Yes, sir. It's an old Pioneer 6x9 right there. We'll throw that right in the middle of the dash. Once you got those cracks filled in, what would you think to do? Build up? Wow, that was a long screw.
That's what she said.
Size of that screw that went all the way through. Why? Why? What is this? Look at this. Freaking giant screws right here. Like this whole port. This rubber, like, what was this for? What was this designed for? These big rubber things. Did it screw into the dash? No. These big giant rubber things. What a dumbass design. Got this piece off with these ginormous screws. I don't get it. Look at that. That's what they stuck into the... You needed all that to mount that little thing before, huh? Jesus. Here's my idea. Wow. And there it is. And there's the original dash. Look at that. It's all cracked. It's all shitty. Okay, there's one more piece of this carpet left. Like 10 pieces. They put this shit together. 10 pieces. Okay, so that's gone. So now we got this ratted up old shit dash, including, looks like I'm gonna have to get this off somehow. There's not much dash left. So that must have been where the speaker hole went. This is gross, man. This is bad. Ugh. This corner. I mean, it would be so easy to wrap this part right here. You just wrap that part first, tight, get that gone, but maybe just wrap it in 2 fucking parts. Why didn't anybody just do that? Wrap it there and wrap it there. Right? Yeah. It makes no sense why you just don't wrap it in 2 parts. I got some wrap. Thank you all for watching. If you're car people and you like cars, like the video.
Look at that. Look at that.
All the smart people are already subscribed, and the smart people that have not subscribed yet are hitting the button right now. So be a smart person. See you guys later. I gotta roll. Shut up!